Hi there. Today I'm going to talk about Quora. Yes, a lot of my clients have been asking about Quora for marketing, and they are now getting curious about this particular platform. For the starters, what is Quora? Well, Quora is an information based portal where you can answer and ask questions. The portal was launched in 2009 and last year they turned 10. Now, if we talk about the statistics today, there are almost 4 lakh plus topics which are covered on Quora, and at any point of time, there are 300 million users which are surfing Quora to get the answers and to ask questions. The popularity is been growing multi bounds, and that is why brands and brand owners are getting curious about Quora marketing and how they can actually use it for their benefit. Quora is just like the LinkedIn platform. You can publish content there. The benefit here is that the search engine rankings are very high for Quora. Plus, the topics listed there are categorized so beautifully that the search engines pick the answers really fast. But that does not mean that you can just create content and your Quora marketing is done. You need to strategize it. You need to find out the influencers. You need to do a consumer insight, and you need to create good content that you get upvotes for. The more upvotes your answer gets, the more is the reach and visibility of your Quora profile. It is also a fastest growing platform for influencer branding. If you actually search out and categorize your Q&As and tag the influencers in the right way, if you look at your consumer insights and see what are the kind of queries the consumer is generated, and if you fill the gaps in the right manner with the proper content, then the chances of your search visibility, the chances of your thought leadership, the chances of getting advocacy through some of the Quora influencers get doubled. So ultimately, it comes down to creating good content and doing mindful marketing. If you think that only publishing content will fetch you good results on Quora, no, that's not the case. You need to strategize, plan, and think before creating the content that what is it the user will find most useful for. So for that, you need to search specific topics and keywords that cover your offering side, that cover and answer business related queries. So if you are trying to be an influencer in one particular category, search through the keywords, find out the questions, find out the kind of questions people are asking for, and draft answers which are specific to their queries. Do not go by the search engine metrics or more numbers, but go by the specific answers, to the point answers, so that more and more readers feel that you are giving them answers which are benefiting them in some way. That's how your search engine reach will go up. Then there is no denying the fact that Quora has an exceptional reach, and that's why it really matters that your content is to the point, simplified, and most understood by the queries, the query generators on Quora. Then Quora is also getting popular as a marketing tool because it is generating high quality traffic. Like I said, a lot of people are using it for influencer branding, so there is no fluffing or keyword stuffing kind of content creation happening. It is simple. What I know, what you know, we are sharing there on that platform. So make sure that whatever content you are creating for Quora, it is more high quality traffic. Yes, for the beginners, to test the keywords and to test the space, you can start around the search traffics and keywords that you have analyzed for your brand. But ultimately, you need to get to the psyche of the people who are asking questions in your particular category and get to create content which is more useful for them. Other than that, create insights. Do follow the insights of your audience. How is your audience responding? What are the kind of queries they are creating? look around the questions on your particular keyword or the subject matter for which you are trying to create an expertise on Quora. Research that and create more and more content, keep it updated. And Quora also offers you to edit your previous answer and to update it. So people who are doing that are getting more visibility, because that shows that okay, you are concerned about the output that you are sharing there and the inputs that you are giving to your readers. So do that when it is required, and keep your posts up to date and relevant to your visitors. Once you do that, then we can talk about the Quora ads, which is a recent feature, but it is very simple to use. But before that, get to the first step of Quora marketing, get hold of the content and expertise that people demand. Get into the league of influencers in your particular side of business, and then we can talk about the Quora advertising, which is very relevant, very specific and easy to use like other social platforms. But first, let's create content. Thank you. I'll be talking more about Quora marketing in the upcoming videos.